Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you guys two different adjustments you can use in whitening the eye in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just dive to it. So the first adjustment is the vibrance, which I'm going to use and show you how it works. So first I'm just going to click the vibrance, then I'll come to the saturation and I'll adjust it to minus. Let me just type this. I'll just type minus 50. I'll hit OK. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to come back here. Then I'll come to this layer mask. Then I'll select the layer mask. I'll invert it. And after inverting it, I'll just pick on my brush. When I pick on my brush, make sure you reduce the brush to a smaller size. Make sure the opacity is at 100. Then come right here. Then right click on the brush, make sure you take this hardness to 50 and hit OK. So once all of that is done, you just brush on this white area. So I'll just brush on the area I want to whiten. Make sure you're careful while doing this. So after so I'm done brushing. You can see the before and see the after. So if you want to add a little bit of blue to it, you just come to where you just check on where you have your filter, photo filter, then you change it to blue. So once you change it to blue, make sure you take this to 5. Then you come right down here and you now match the photo filter to the vibrance. So after doing that, I'll just group the two. Then this is the before and this is the after. If you are not really comfortable with this method, let me show you another method you can also use in whitening the eye. So I'm just going to bring this down here to delete it. So on this method, I'm going to use the lasso tool. Then after clicking the lasso tool, I'll just select the area I want to whiten. So make sure you're careful while doing this. I'll come to this other side as well, and I'll still repeat the same process. I'll just select the area I want to whiten. So after selecting that, I'll right click and feather it to 4. Then hit OK. I'll come to the hue and saturation. I'll click on it, sorry guys. Then I'll just click on the yellow. Then I'll now take this yellow to minus 100. Then I'll come back to the master. Then I'll take this to minus 50. So 51 is still okay. So you guys can see the before and after. And this, if it's still looking dark a bit, you come to the brightness and contrast. You add the brightness to 5. Then you match it with this second layer right here. So let me group and show you guys the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. Let me just take this off to show you. And this is the before and after. So this is how I get to whiten the eye in Photoshop, and this process does not take much time. Just a few steps, you just get to whiten. So even though you are working on plenty pictures, you can still use this method. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos I'll be dropping. So thank you and hope to see you in the next video.